Welcome to my channel. How to fix Wi-Fi dead zones in your house. Step 1. Find the dead zones. Walk around your home with your phone or laptop and check where the Wi-Fi signal becomes weak or disconnects. This helps you identify the areas that need better coverage. Step 2. Move your router. Place your router in a central, open location instead of a corner or inside a cabinet. A better position allows the Wi-Fi signal to reach more rooms. Step 3. Keep the router away from interference. Avoid placing the router near microwaves, cordless phones, metal objects, or thick concrete walls. These can block or weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Step 4. Raise the router higher. Set your router on a shelf or table instead of the floor. A higher position helps the signal spread more evenly throughout your home. Step 5. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. A quick restart can improve performance and fix temporary connection issues. Step 6. Update the router firmware. Log into your router settings and check for firmware updates. Installing the latest update can improve Wi-Fi coverage, speed, and security. Step 7. Switch to the best Wi-Fi band. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds when you're close to the router, and the 2.4 GHz band for better coverage in rooms that are farther away. Step 8. Add a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. If your home is large, install a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system to eliminate dead zones and provide a stronger signal throughout the house. Step 9. Reduce connected devices. Disconnect devices that you're not using. Too many connected devices can slow down your network and reduce Wi-Fi performance. Step 10. Test your Wi-Fi again. After making these changes, test your Wi-Fi speed and signal in every room. If you still have dead zones, consider upgrading to a newer router with better range. Thanks for watching.